So this is the second inspection after we put the package in here. When I checked it on Wednesday, which was 3 days ago, it seemed to be okay. We put the queen and the package in on a Sunday. I checked it on a Wednesday, and the queen was still in the cage, which is okay. But I figured by now they should have at least released her. So my thinking is she should at least be out of her cage by now. It doesn't look like she is. I'll check. It does in fact look like she has been released in the cage. My fear is, I don't know if you can see it, but they've built up comb in between here. And we would prefer that they didn't. So I'm going to see about putting that other frame in. Put the head down here. Get it pulled out for now for space. See what's going on here. I wish they hadn't built up all that comb. May need to not much left in the smoker there, so I have to do that here. Yeah, almost nothing there. Smoke them back into the hive if I can. I don't think it'll work though. Get some of this cross comb in here. There's the queen. If you see, she's right there in the middle, the blue. So we're going to get this comb off of here. Let them reuse that, I guess. Or not, I don't know. Let's see what they do with it. They'll probably fix it. But I'm going to stick the other frame in there. And hopefully they won't build any more cross comb, because they won't have any space to do it. But now they're kind of getting mad because I've had the thing open for too long. Probably killed a few of them by accident. Messing with them too much. It's a lot of cross comb. Woo. Sorry, bees. Try not to crush any of you. Move as few of them as possible. That's a big chunk. Okay. If I set this up so they don't have any space, hopefully they will not rebuild comb in between. Hopefully. No idea. I've never seen them do this in any of the other hives I've had. But I think what I'll do is take some of this out. Good news is none of them got through the suit, which is what I was afraid of. I have to get a new suit because this bottom right leg is open. It's not perfectly sealed, but so I leave that extra super on top there empty in a way that I can set a bucket or something in there. Usually I use one of these throwaway turkey roasting pieces and I just set it in here. I've got a bunch of sticks in here because I didn't have any straw, but I'll typically put straw in this and then fill it up with sugar water, and it holds about 3 gallons, so more than just the 1 gallon thing. And the straw and sticks allow the bees to crawl out if they get stuck or anything like that, but usually when I come out there's 1 or 2 bees that haven't made it out. But for 3 gallons of sugar water, it's not a big thing if 1 or 2 bees goes. And it means I don't have to come out and check every day. Right now it's still early spring, so stuff is still releasing pollen, so I think that's okay. But yeah, that was the second beehive check. The queen is out. I saw her roaming around. So I'll leave this sitting out because the bees will take all the pollen and all the honey that they had in there, and they'll move it out of these combs, and they'll put it back in the hive. And whenever they're done, I'll come out here and I'll get the comb and use it for whatever we want to use it for. Thank you for spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this content, please consider clicking the like button or subscribe. I'll be putting content like this weekly, and hope to see you next time. Thanks. Goodbye.